Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make homemade biscuits. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, corn flour, cooking salt, and set aside. I'm gonna place a spread, caster sugar, icing sugar, and beat until light and smooth. I'm gonna place egg, pour vanilla essence, preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and incorporate. I'm gonna add the flour mixture little by little and gently incorporate. This is the consistency if you want to use a piping bag. I added more plain flour because I'm gonna use a biscuit machine. The dough gets a bit heavier and dry. I'm gonna add the extra plain flour I used as well as the nutrition facts to the recipe. I'm gonna place in the preheated oven and cook for about 20 minutes. The recipe to be used with piping bag yielded 779 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of homemade biscuits. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!